wildfires threatening communities and other homes. So just be aware this is an ongoing situation through the night.
It's been windy all day. Look at that shit. It's f***ing fires. Got some fires going on, man. Damn, am I gonna be able to go home?
We have all the ingredients today to have that fire danger. Wind's going to be over 40 miles an hour this afternoon. That humidity is going to be extremely low, so it goes into that critical category.
Got the evacuation buses right there. Man, look at that. It's a lot of smoke, man. Who knows? Got half a tank. Alright. Fire, look at that. Oh, damn. Check out that fire right there. Yo, that's... Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to go. Damn it, they blocked off that road too. Check this out, man. All that smoke. Look at all that smoke. I'm gonna take the back road. Damn. I don't see any smoke over here. It's over there though. So I should be good if I just take these back roads back home. It's gonna take a minute though. Oh damn. Yo, what is cracking, gang? Alex Mota's lawn care and junk removal business here, and today I got a wild little video for y'all. I start off with 2 junk removals, a tree trimming and fence clearing job for the day. You know, just thinking it was gonna be a regular old work day. The first job consisted of loading up my truck and trailer with tree debris. The payout was pretty good, it was $400. But by the time I got to the last job, things got crazy. Like the wind started picking up, the sky got darker. The next thing I know, I'm stuck in an area surrounded by wildfires. Watch until the end to see how I got out of that situation. Plus, as always, I'll be giving you guys the full profit and expense breakdown so you guys can see how much I really profited for this day. I'll also show you guys all the tools that I use. Man, let's get right into the video. The day started off pretty solid. Like this first job was all tree debris removal. Had to load up the truck and trailer. Quick, easy money, you know, before moving on to the next gig. Now the second job was another junk removal gig. Nothing too crazy, just 2 wooden pallets. Quick load up and haul off. But while I was working, like you could even see in that clip when I was loading up the pallets, like I didn't even realize how bad the weather was getting. Like the wind started picking up, the clouds got darker, the air felt thicker, but I mean, I sometimes wear a mask for that. And I knew there was fire warnings, but I didn't really think nothing of it. I didn't check the weather or nothing. I didn't think it was gonna start right then and there. But after that, the last job, it was like a little bit farther out from the second job location, but that location was like kind of country, like just open grasslands. And as soon as I finished that last job is when I tried to head home. That's when things got crazy. Like the wildfires started happening. I was trapped. Like roads were getting blocked. I had to keep making detours. The smoke was getting thicker and the wind was just making it worse. I had to keep finding like another way out before things got too dangerous. But I'll let you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy it, please drop a sub and a like. Also, what's the wildest thing that's ever happened to you guys like during a job? Like anything similar to this, like let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about it. I'm answering all the comments right now. But yeah, anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Peace. 12:31. Just dropped off the trailer, but I still got 2 more jobs to do. I got a junk removal, then I gotta trim some trees and clear a fence line. So man, let's get it. I just came to drop off the trailer. Gotta grab a chainsaw, ladder, this junk removal job. Yeah, let's get it. Right here. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I'll get it done for you. I'll get it done. Okay, yeah, that'd be easier. Nice. Okay, I'll do that. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Was the drive 214. I just got to trim up this little tree right here, just make sure it doesn't hang off the sides right here, so I'll be cutting it. Just got done. Shit. It's been windy all day. Look at that shit. It's fucking fires. Got some fires going on, man. Damn, am I gonna be able to go home? They fucking blocked it. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go home. Shit. What is that, homie? Are they not letting us through or what? There's a forest fire or some shit. Something's going on. Damn, look at that, look at that. There's fire. There's fire, look at that. Oh, damn. Check out that fire right there. Yo, that's crazy, look at that. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to go. Look at that shit. Oh, they're telling us to leave. Damn. Oh, look at that. Look at that shit. Oh, damn. This shit's getting worse. This shit's getting worse. Yo, that's crazy. Got me taking the back roads, but damn. I don't see any smoke over here. It's over there though. So I should be good if I just take these back roads back home. It's gonna take a minute though, but better safe than sorry. Yeah, because the wind is pushing that way. So I think we should be good because I don't see any smoke on this side, so. They got the evacuation buses right there. Damn it, they blocked off that road too. What the shit, now I gotta go around. Man. I need to get past Manford to go home, but look at that shit. It's a lot of smoke, man. Who knows? I got half a tank. Alright. Man. Alright, hopefully I make it. Check that out. All that smoke. Look at all that smoke.
I know you probably heard this before.
Yo, that's crazy.
Sales, car detail, window washing.
It's all swaggy looking, all foggy.
The options are endless.
I am from the top of my own channel, the video gadgets channel. That's been around since 2000. This is the thing that got me into YouTube.
Alright, back in the city.
About surviving.
Jeez, man, that took a minute.
Is pure entertainment.
At least we made it though, safely, thank God. We good, back in the city, we straight.
Step-by-step playbook.